Okay, I was not prepared for this. Michaels didn't just restock their dollhouse miniatures. They basically said, what if we took over an entire aisle? Because when I tell you they tripled their miniature inventory, I mean it. This is not a restock. This is a full on miniature glow up. They have an entire aisle dedicated to dollhouses, miniatures, and model making now. Meanwhile, Hobby Lobby is over there quietly shrinking their dollhouse section and even completely removing it from some stores. Michaels, they said, we're doubling down. And honestly, it's a bold move because in a world where everything is going digital, Michaels is betting on tiny couches, miniature toast, and dollhouse streams. And I have questions. Is this going to pay off? What do they know that we don't? What is happening in the miniature world right now? But I have a theory. Gen Z is bringing back analog hobbies, miniatures, crafting, DIY, all of it. People are tired of screens and want to touch grass, or at least miniature grass. Also, if you're new here, my name is Marie, and welcome to my channel, Notorious Crafts. All right, let's get into the new merchandise. They have miniature dino toys, lots of tools, and paint for model making, lots of car kits, and so many miniature kits and book nooks. Michael's used to have like 3 kits. Now half the aisle is kits. These are perfect if you want to get into miniatures, but still want your hand held a little. No shame, I love a guided experience. And you already know I love Roll Life kits. They have clear instructions, cute designs, and minimal emotional damage. These room box kits are so cute. They have a little diner and an apartment on top of it. There are tiny cafes, tea shops. You can build an entire building. And yes, these are around $40, but this is Michael's. We do not pay full price here. We use coupons, we wait, we strategize. Usually their email coupons are for 30% off, so sign up for their email list. I have made this greenhouse garden kit. It's one of my favorites. I'll put a link down below if you're interested in also making one of these. Wow, look how many kits they have. So many different themes. There's a tea shop, little cafes. Oh, these are all so cute. These smaller kits are perfect if you're just a beginner. Okay, now let's get into the dollhouse miniatures. We have some building components, which is perfect because I'm building a dollhouse from a kit and I'm modifying some components. All right, they have many different doors. These doors are all made from solid wood. I like that they also have some windows on it to let in some natural light. I am replacing the door that came with the dollhouse kit. It's just a little bit lower quality. I like the prices here too. They cost a lot less than on Amazon for the same exact door. And if I use my coupon, they will cost even less. There are some windows that actually open and close. I'm also replacing the windows in my dollhouse kit because the windows that it came with do not open. And if my dollhouse can't get fresh air, what are we even doing here? I like making my dollhouses as realistic as possible, so I want my windows to actually open. These wood pieces over here are floorboards, so you can make a real hardwood floor. I like that they come in many different shades of wood. They have some shingles so you can make a realistic looking roof. And what are these? Oh, these are door handles, so you can make your own cabinets and attach these cute handles in black, gold, and silver. They have some trim and crown molding. I personally love using these in my dollhouses. They give the room some more character and make it look more realistic, which is always what I'm going for in my miniature making. There are some tools and clamps for making your own furniture. And what do we have here? We have some stick on flooring. I love it. And some wallpaper. Not a very big selection, but at least they have some really cute designs. On the bottom shelf, there's an entire toolkit with everything that you need to start making your own miniatures. Wait, is this a dollhouse kit? Oh, no, just kidding. It's a rotating base for your dollhouses. Actually, this is a really great idea. Dollhouses get really heavy once they're complete. So with this, you can just easily spin your dollhouse from front to back. Oh, I found a dollhouse kit. Wow, this is a huge deal. Michael's has never had dollhouses like this before. I need one of these. It's so cute too. It is $75, so I may have to wait for this purchase. Look, here's another dollhouse. Again, I'm just speechless. Michael's finally listened to its customers and came out with some dollhouse kits. I like that this kit has a door that closes the entire front, which is amazing if you have pets, because my cat sees my dollhouse as its own personal demolition project. Here's another dollhouse kit. This one is more plain, but it does have a lot of rooms. I noticed that these dollhouses do not say what scale they are. Does anyone know? Are they 1/12th, 1/24th? Write it down in the comments if you know. Also, these dollhouses are very hidden and on the bottom shelf. They're not easy to see. They need to be displayed. Maybe Michaels can have someone make them and place them on display like they did with the room boxes for Roll Life. That way, we can also see how big they are once they are completed. Now, on to some accessories. These are my favorite things to look at. I saved the best for last. From the accessories, we are starting with furniture. There's this curved modern cabinet, great for a miniature kitchen or a living room or even a dining room. But what are these next to them? Are they furniture kits? I love these. You can still make the furniture yourself, paint it any color you would like to match your dollhouse or room theme. It looks like they just come with the building components and you have to buy your own glue and paint. It's like IKEA, but make it tiny and way cuter. And these couches, bright white, which is hilarious because I would never own a white couch in real life. I would get chocolate or spill something all over it. But in dollhouse form, I'm a clean, responsible adult. This is why we like dollhouses. We can make whatever we want in our dollhouse. Here's a living room set that comes with all the accessories you need to decorate your mini living room. There's a rug, plant, pillow, coffee cup, books. It's a really good deal for the price. There are some wood side tables in different shades of wood, and it's nice that they come in pairs of two, so you only need to buy one packet. They have a lot of seating options, a few different kinds of rocking chairs. A lot of this furniture is very modern looking, which I really appreciate. It felt like for a while, the only thing that was out there was more older, out of date, or Victorian style dollhouse furniture. And sometimes I want that vintage furniture, but sometimes I want that clean, minimalist, modern look. And these new items are so sleek and with the times. Michaels did such a great job with these new miniatures. I have to give my compliments to their designers who created all of these new miniatures. They have so much new home decor. I love all of it. Oh, here's some light fixtures. I wonder if any of these lamps light up. Here's a lighting set. It looks like it comes with everything that you need to set up some working lights in your dollhouse. That is for sure something I need for my pastel dollhouse I am working on. I would love some working lights. Moving on to this next section of accessories. I'm not sure what this is. I think it's just a ladder with a towel on it. Here's a DIY bed set, a basket, lots of cute accessories for the bedroom. They have a few different sewing kits. They should have placed the sewing supplies in a cookie tin just like my grandma used to do. Tricked me every time. There's a TV with a channel set to the weather station, partly cloudy with the chance of buying miniatures. And another bed set, it comes with a comforter and pillows. I like that they place all these items in a clear bag so that you can see what you're buying. Michaels, you're so smart. Look at all of these cute pillow sets. I like that they paired a fun print with a neutral pillow. Here are some more do it yourself furniture sets. These drawers actually open. You can store your miniature accessories. And here's some more bedroom furniture. I like the size of this bed. This must be king size, but in miniature form. There's a white dresser. If you don't like the white color, you can always repaint these. Next section, I think we're now in kitchen accessories. We have an entire oven, hood, and cabinet set. Here's a DIY fridge because every kitchen needs some food. It looks like it's really big too. Here's a wooden table and chair set. It looks very rustic if that is your vibe. Here's a bathtub. It's kind of funny how kitchen accessories are mixed in with bathroom. For me, it would be helpful if everything was organized by section and not all mixed together. A wooden table and chair set for only $10. That's a really good deal. Some more kitchen cabinets, a sink with storage under it. That's perfect for a bathroom, too. Wow, look at this kitchen accessory set. There are cutting boards, wooden spoons, glass jars, towels. I like how this image styles all these accessories in the oven and cabinet set we saw earlier. Pictures and references are always so helpful. It's also nice because they show you how you can style some of their furniture items with their accessories. And here are some more bathroom items. We have a toilet and sink and a full bathroom accessory set with a plant, rug, mirror, soap, lotion bottles, and a tray. All of that for only $10. If you wanted to buy each of these items individually, it would end up being a lot more. Love that Michaels is creating these accessory set with multiple items. Now we have some food items. Here's a coffee and donut set. It's making me hungry. I haven't eaten lunch yet. Some jars and a Stanley drink cup, a mini Stanley cup. We have officially reached peak miniature culture. Lots of kitchen sets and accessories. I'm seeing a lot of empty spaces, which I guess is good. It means that people are buying miniatures. I hope that Michaels does a restock of all these items soon. Maybe I can check out their website to see if these missing items are there. I do love all of their miniature food items. They look so realistic. I wonder if Dollhouse miniatures ever go on sale at Michael's. If anyone has seen these go on sale, let me know down below in the comments. Here's a dollhouse for your dollhouse. It's like Inception, a dollhouse within a dollhouse, and then you should make an even smaller dollhouse so that your dollhouse's dollhouse can have its own dollhouse. And then, all right, I'll stop right there. Seriously, these miniatures are all so cute. Okay, moving on to this next section, we have some more building materials to make a garden. There's some grass and a fence, lots of mini animals. These are so stinking cute. I love the bunnies. I need 12 immediately. And look, there's even a dollhouse with a dog. They have some trees and shrubs, and even trees with yellow and orange leaves for a fall and autumn scene. There's a set of 3 frogs. You can put them around a pond. And here we have a metal table and chair set. Would look so cute on a patio. And look, there's even a koi pond. It looks like there's real water in it. You can create an entire miniature backyard with these items. And look at this mushroom house. It is so whimsical. Love this. I really need some more whimsy in my life, and these miniatures are perfect for that. We're almost at the end of the aisle. This is the last section. There's lots of stones and fairies. I would love to create a miniature fairy garden. I have so many miniature and dollhouse things I want to create, but I just don't have the time for all of it. At least I know I can come to Michael's when I'm ready to start creating all of the projects that I want to make. Okay, I'm honestly blown away right now. Michael's didn't just improve their miniature section, they completely reinvented it. It's a fresh take on miniatures from what they had before. They even added actual dollhouses to their merchandise, which is so exciting. They have something for every room of a dollhouse. I love the kits to make your own furniture. I know they're not for everyone. Some people may not have the time or the patience, but I personally love the idea of making the furniture myself and being able to customize it for my specific project. There were a lot of empty racks, so I could not see everything. These items are available online, so I linked the exact page to get you to the miniatures down below in the description. I would love to review some of the miniatures and sets. Maybe Michaels would like to work with me in the future on that. What do you think of the new miniatures and dollhouse merchandise additions at Michaels? Let me know your thoughts on this new collection. What kind of dollhouse miniatures would you like to see from Michaels in the future? Also, what are your thoughts on the DIY build it yourself furniture? And Michaels, if you're watching, I would love to review these and maybe collaborate. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.